What if I told you that some of your daily habits are quietly speeding up how fast you age? And I'm not talking about genetics. I'm talking about things you are doing or not doing every single day. Because aging well is not just about time. It's about how your body adapts over time. My name is Marius Visser, a biokineticist, and by the end of this video, you'll understand the 3 biggest factors that accelerate your aging. I call this the Age Strong Triangle, and more importantly, what you can do about them. This is especially important for over 50s and even more so for over 70s, because your body becomes more sensitive to what you do consistently. Number 1, ignoring good quality sleep. Sleep is not just rest, it's repair. While you sleep, your body actually repairs muscles, it regulates your hormones and reduces inflammation. If your sleep is poor, your body stays in a state of stress. I like to use a simple analogy. Think of it like it's your car, you never switch off the engine. It wears out faster. Slower recovery, reduced strength gains, increased fatigue, and of course a higher fall risk. Start treating your sleep like it's part of your training. Aim for 7 or 8 hours, go to bed at the same time, reduce screens before bed, and keep your room cool and dark. And you don't get stronger when you train, you actually get stronger when you recover. Number 2, not challenging your muscles. This is one of the biggest drivers of aging after 70. It's called sarcopenia or age-related muscle loss. As we age, your muscle mass decreases, your strength declines, and your function reduces. But here is the key. This is not just aging, it's disuse. Many people stay active, but they don't challenge their muscles. Simple use it or lose it principle. They walk only, very light weights, or the same routine for years. What impact does it have? Well, weakness, poor balance, and of course, loss of your independence. So how can you fix that? Well, you can start by watching this video on how to actually start your exercises. Or you need to give your body a reason to stay strong. Some practical guidelines: I use strength training 2 to 3 times per week. Use resistance like bands, weights, or your body weight. You have to feel the effort in the last few reps. And remember, movement maintains, but strength training transforms. Number 3, a nutrient-poor diet. What you eat directly affects how your body ages. Let me explain. A diet high in processed foods and sugars creates a low-grade inflammation. What's this called? It's often called inflaming. And the impact, well, your muscles break down, joint pain, reduced recovery, and an increased disease risk. You see, your body is either repairing or it's an inflamed state. And to fix this, you need to focus on nutrient-dense foods, like, for instance, having protein at each meal, having more vegetables, healthy fats, and reduce that processed foods. Now, let me give you a simple tip. Add color to your plate. You can't outtrain poor nutrition. So if you feel like you're aging faster, it may not be your age, it may be these 3 things in my triangle: poor sleep, lack of strength challenge, and poor nutrition. But the good news, all 3 are within your control. You don't need extremes. You need consistency. Now, I want you to pick one of these today, just one, and improve it this week. So which one are you going to focus on? The sleep, the strength, or the nutrition? And if you want help with strength training, start with my over 70 strength routine. You're not just getting older, you're adapting to what you repeatedly do. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe, and share this with somebody that you think it might help. See you next time.